Welcome back, children. Today we will discuss that is the new chapter, that is the measurement weight. Yes, already you learned. So today we will discuss the topic is weight. Yes. So here see students. So what you will be studying from in this lesson. So you will be find out or you will be recognize the different measurements of weighing. Yes. So weighing different measurements, you know, that is to where the method means in which situation who are the users of weighing machine. Yes, who are the users of weighing machine? So vegetable markets they are using, then next flowers, so in that florist also they are using, and fruit shop they are using, and also in provision stores, in bakery. Yes, so in all the way in wholesale shop they are using. Yes, in the grains and pulses they are using. Also in wholesale shop also they are using weighing machines. Yes, you know that is all where in the means who are the users of weighing machines. Yes, know the method of using a beam balance. So method of using a beam balance. So who are using the beam balance? So in a method using, in which method they are using the beam balance? Yes, okay. Yes, so here who are they using? So they can be given here. So list out some situations in daily life where the weighing machines are using, where the weighings are using. So will be list out here. They can be mentioned here already. Explained. I explained you. So here see they can be given here. So this vendor is. So this vendor is weighing vegetables. Yes, see this means weighing machine we can call as a beam balance. What we can call this one? Beam balance. Yes. So here, so what they can be given here? What will happen? Be placed in the left plate and right plate of the beam balance. See here. So right and left plate of the beam balance, what they are using. So what they are placed here, see in the where in the right side. So they were using, what they are using here. So they are using right side where things what we will be selling. So in the left side we are using those all weight units. It means weighing units, 1 kg, half kg, 2 kg. So those means those all they are using weighing units. Okay. So weighing stones are placed in the left side and the objects will be placed in the right side. Yes, so that is in the beam balance. Okay, they can given here, see these all we can be called as weighing units. 50 gram, then 100 gram, 200 gram, then next 500 gram, then 1 kg, next 5 kg. Yes, they can be given here, see these all we can be called as weighing units. Okay, yes, so here we can understanding weight of an object. Weight of an object is expressed in a kilogram. So it means that object is expressed in what we can call this one. So we can express that is kilogram. So the kilogram is expressed in what? Kg. Yes. Next, that is represented by here. The kilogram and gram that are expressed in. Okay. So that is kilogram is represented by kg. Then gram is represented. That gram is represented by what? What we can call this one? G. Yes. Okay, so these are expressed kg and gram. Representation is kg and gram. Kilogram, gram, kg, gram. Understood this one? Kilogram is represented by kg. Gram is represented by what it is? G. And so these units are weighing units are expressed in kilogram and gram. Okay. Next one they can given here. So remember the substances whose quantity can be expressed in kilogram and gram. So make a list of two. They can be such as substances that can be weighed in a gram. Gram, if they are using gram, we will be mentioned here 50 gram, 250 gram, yes, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, like, yes, okay. So they can given here. So you know that the weight is expressed in a kg and gram, okay. So already you know that is. Yes, nowadays in a shop, so in a shop, so they are not using a beam balance, they are using electronic device, that is a weighing machine, that is also electronic device. So this is shows the weight of in a kilogram, also gram, that is also showing kilogram and also gram. Yes, so they can understanding here up to 500 grams, you know, that is 50 gram, yes. So 100 gram, next 200 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, yes, 1 kg, yes. So 1 kg is equal to how many grams? Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Yes, how many grams? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So if it is 2 kg is there, 2 kg is equal to how much? So how much we will be taken here? So we multiplied 1000 to a 2, yes, 2000 gram. So it is here, how much it's here? 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So it's a, how much gram it is? 2000 grams, yes, okay. So you can remember 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams, okay. Okay, one example we'll see now. They can given here converting kilogram into gram. Yes, okay, now we will be start. It means first you can be remember in your mind 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams, okay. Yes, so first example they can given here 2 kg. Yes, 2 kg will be, how we will be do here? So 2 into means we will be multiplied. So kilogram to gram, what we will be do? We will be converting kilogram to gram. So what we will be do? So multiplied by 100. Multiply by 100. Yes, sorry, multiply by not 100, 1000. Multiply by 1000. It means 2 into 1000. Okay, so 1000 gram. 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So it means, so answer is 2000 gram. It means how much we will be multiplying here? We will be multiplied by 1000 to the given number. Yes, next example, that is 5 kg. Yes. So we'll write here 5 into how much we will be multiplying now? We will be multiplying 1000. Because why? So because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Understood? Like we will be multiplying this 1000 gram into 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So answer is 5000 gram. Yes, understood how we will be multiplying? So and how we will be converting a kg to gram? Okay, so we will see this in the exercise. Yes, see, they can be given here exercise, and also we'll see another example. Before going to exercise, we'll see another example. We'll write 3 kg 500 gram. Yes, so here see, first what you studied, only kg, how we will be converting, gram you studied, okay. But here kg is also is there, here gram is also is there. How we will be converting? Yes, we'll see now here. So this 500 is it's in a gram only. Okay, we'll keep this same, but this kg is there, no 3 kg, so only 3 kg we will be converting into gram. 3 into how much? 1000 plus how much will be add now? 500 gram. Okay, so 3 into 1000, 3000 gram plus 500 gram is equal to, add these two here, see, 3000 plus 500, 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 3 as it is. So 3500 gram. Understood this one, how we will be converting? So this 500 is gram only, we don't touch that one because it's a gram only. But only what we will do, this kg is we will be converting only 3, that is 3 kg we will be converting into gram. Okay, so 500 as it is we will be keep here. So this 500 is as to add to this 3000 gram. Yes, we can be find out the answer 3500 gram. Okay, yes, next we will be start exercise. Exercise 12.1. okay, first question, convert 8 kg to gram. Yes, they can be given here. So 8 kg they can given here. So what we will do? We will be converting into gram. 8 kg is equal to 8 into 1000. Because if you don't know, we will be write down, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Yes. So here 8 kg is equal to 8 into 1000. So it is answer 8000 gram. Understood? Okay. So next one, that can given here. Second one, convert 9 kg to gram. Yes. So 9 kg is equal to 9 into 1000 gram. So equal to 9000 gram. Understood this one? How to do? Okay, next one, third one, convert 4 kg 600 gram to gram. Yes, what we will do here? First we will write 4 kg 600 gram. We will write first. What we will do here? Only we will convert kg. 4 into 1000 gram plus 600 gram. Okay. So this 4 into 100 we will be multiplying. 4 into 1000. 4000 gram plus 600 gram. So add these two, we can get answer 4600 gram. Understood? How to do? Understood this one? Next one, fourth one, convert 7 kg 850 gram to gram. Okay, so 7 kg 850 gram. We'll write first, we will be convert kg. Okay, 7 into 1000 gram plus 850 gram. Okay, 7 into 1000, 7000 gram plus 850 gram. What we will do? We'll add 7000 and 850. Answer is 7850 gram. Understood this one? Okay. So we'll see the exercise here. They can be given here. Exercise 12.1. Next they can given here addition of weights. Addition of weights. Yes. Yes, see here. So they can given here the vegetable, a vendor having a vegetable he is selling now. Okay. So vegetable seller has total 9 kg 450 gram of potato, 10 kg 300 gram of onion and 12 kg 200 gram of carrot. What is the total weight of vegetable he has? Okay, we'll do now first potato. So how many grams, how many kgs are there here? Potato 9 kg 450 gram. Okay. Next, that is onion. Onion, how many they can given here? 10 kg 300 gram. Next, that is carrot, having 12 kg 200 gram. So what we will be do? Totally vegetable seller having how many kgs of vegetables? Okay. Yes. Let's see total vegetables. Total vegetables are, yes, so 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 gram. Okay. So 5 as it is will write. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 950 grams. First we will be add grams. Next we will start kg. 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. Carry 1. 1, 1, 1. So it means 31. So total vegetable, it means vegetable seller having total vegetables 31 kg 950 grams. Yes, students, understood that one? Okay, so next one we are going to see the exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. Yes, first one we can given here. Add the following. Add the following. Yes, first one we can given here 42 kg plus 58 kg. We'll add now. Okay, addition this is. First I'll write a kg to kg. So mention kg. 8 plus 2 is 10. Give a carry 1. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 100 kg. Next one, that is second one, 120 kg plus 45 kg. Yes, we'll add now. Kg, 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1. Total 165 kg. Third one, 150 kg plus 240 kg. Yes, first we will write the unit. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 390 kg. Next one they can given here 57 kg 126 gram. 39 kg 245 gram. Yes, no, we'll add here. So gram as it is will mention here. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. It means 371 gram. Next kg. So here they can be given here. 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. Give a carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 96 kg 371 gram. Okay. Next one. 136 kg 240 gram 27 kg 126 gram. Okay, yes, so add these two kgs and gram. 0 plus 6 6 gram, 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, kg. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1. So 163 kg 366 gram. Okay. Next one, 324 kg 360 gram. 112 kg 6 gram. Yes, we'll add these two. 0 plus 6 6 6 as it is, 3 as it is, 366 grams. Next we'll add kg. 4 plus 2 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 436 kg 366 gram. Okay, this is the first main. Okay, next main what they can be given here. So this is all the addition. Okay, so next main they can given here. So solve the following. Yes, what they can given here. Second main, solve the following. Yes, first one, that is second main. This is solve the following. First one, weight of anil. Weight of anil is 45 kg. Anil having 45 kg. Next Aslam weigh 3 kg more than him. What is the total weight of Aslam? What is the total weight of Aslam? Yes, what we will be finding here? So weight of Anil is 45 kg and Aslam weighs 3 kg more than him. Okay, what is the total weight of Aslam? So what we will be finding? So we will be finding the weight of Aslam. Yes, so first we will write as weight of Anil. How much is the weight of Anil? Anil weight is 45 kg. Yes, next, so more weight of Aslam than Anil is how much? So 3 kg. Yes, we'll add these two because why? We need a total weight of Aslam. Yes, so here weight of Aslam. Yes, okay, see kg mentioned here. 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 as it is. Total weight of Aslam is how much? So 48 kg because he is more than 3 kg compared to whose? Anil. Yes, so his weight is 48 kg. This is the first one. Okay, so next one. Yes, second one. Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples and 12 kg of sweet lemon, sweet lemon for a function. For a function. Find the total weight of fruits. Yes, she bought. Yes. So here Reena buys 10 kg of mangoes, 15 kg of apples and 12 kg of sweet lemons for a function. Find the total weight of fruits she bought. It means totally how many fruits she bought. Okay. First we'll write weight of mangoes. Weight of mangoes. Weight of mangoes is 10 kg. Yes. Next, weight of apples. Weight of apples is equal to 15 kg. Yes. Next, weight of sweet lemon. Weight of sweet lemon is equal to 12 kg. Yes. So, what we will finding? Total weight of fruits. Total weight of fruits is equal to kg. Okay. 0 plus 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 1, 2, 3. It means 37 kg. Totally Reena buys how much? 37 kg fruits. Understood this one? Yes, students. So, remaining 2 are there in this lesson. You will try yourselves. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow we will continue the next session of this lesson. Thank you.